This is gold H1 time frame, next chart. We will use everything, all the news, what is happening right now, Trump tariff drama, CPI indicator in few hours, and Elliott wave theory. How you can use everything and predict next move in gold. So on this intraday move, before anything happen, before CPI number become public, first thing first, technically I can say intraday H1 chart, it is highly oversold, it need a correction. So more it goes down from here, more it will be oversold. Now it is too late to sell gold, or maybe CPI news leaked early. Plus all the pump and dump organized by Trump. So first let's see this wave counting. 5 impulsive wave up, where third wave was your NFP news, which you can again subdivide into 5 impulsive wave, triangle in fourth wave, then fifth impulsive wave. That was mostly your NFP news. Then after that, your triangle chart pattern correction, fourth wave low, then new range high, final fifth wave. So what was happening during this sideways range, fourth wave triangle correction, then again sideways range, wave V counter trend correction. If you see news trend here, 3 working day, 3 different news. First Trump say he will apply tariff on gold bar. Then before Friday closing, White House will issue clarity on tariff. Then Monday, after party over, gold dump, big vertical line, buyers panic. They say, Trump clearly say they will not apply tariff on gold bar. It is clearly and directly Trump was manipulating gold price with news and sentiment about tariff. Biggest problem is beginner trade on spot gold chart, but you can see Comex gold. Technically it range breakout last week, new range high, then 3 red candlestick, big dump, especially Monday big red candlestick. When they killed all the buyers, trapping, then they confirm Trump will not apply tariff on gold. When they short squeeze all the seller, new range high, then they confirm tariff was misinformation, they will not apply tariff on gold bar. But spot and Comex gold, both chart right now, technically both have big difference. Spot did not make new range high, but Comex made technical range high. Problem is, if gold make counter trend correction, if we use for retracement, you will be using right tool but wrong information. People will be making wrong intraday decision because Comex made new range high, but spot chart you can see not first time, gold already failed 4th time from this range. This is 5th time it is failing big way upper part of the range. Every time on this range area something happen and they slam gold buyer. On this high, your Iran war. On this later reversal, your Trump tariff. Big pump and dump, big vertical red candlestick. After that, I can say intraday highly oversold. You can see no range high, no range retest, still reversal, 78% of last wave, but Comex clear range high. Because of that, technically both chart are different. If you use for retracement, which high you will use, but still you will have wrong information. So back to intraday H1 time frame. Because of pump and dump organized by Trump about their gold war tariff news, this is highly oversold intraday. 5 impulsive wave, top to bottom price almost retrace 50%. More it goes down, more it will be testing fifth retracement, fifth zone, 50 and 60 area. So if CPI come hot, bad for gold, it is already priced in. If you compare this information with book side by side, then 5 impulsive wave market goes up, AVC it goes down, price retrace 50%. This entire wave structure convert into higher degree wave 1 and 2. If CPI come very weak, let's say 25 basis point cut convert into 50, instantly market start pricing for 50 basis point cut. Then this entire wave convert into wave 1, this become counter trend correction wave 2, a price jump after CPI. If CPI come very weak, then market become ready for third impulsive wave. But this is one complete wave cycle. Our current price area, it is like 50-50, which depends on CPI number, weak or hot. This bottom will survive or this high will survive. If you see one more thing, this triangle pattern, if you compare book example side by side, either triangle have one horizontal line or both line goes in opposite direction. But here on chart you saw both trend line were going up in same direction. There was ABCDE triangle in a bull market, but not same to same. Visual were different compared to book. Upper trend line was not horizontal, it was not shrinking triangle, it was not expanding triangle, it was running triangle. Price action was mostly sideways. During this time, Trump was playing with his tariff game. In few hours CPI news will come, but mostly it is sideways near 3%, sometime up, sometime below 3%, but it is a horizontal line near 3%. Their official target was 2%, but CPI is sideways near 3%. As theory, as macroeconomics, if you see, CPI number come hot, bad for gold, which looks already priced in. If CPI number come weak, good for gold, more rate cut chance. But current price action look weak, CPI is not pricing. If CPI come very weak, it will be shocking at current moment. So that was your wave counting on H1 time frame. Before price made new range high, before Trump gave tariff news, before price hit 3400, I updated this thing in Telegram, clear arrow going up to 3350. Market did same to same as expected, goes up almost 3400 on fake tariff news, then down. Now this new updated wave counting, since we don't know what CPI number will show market reaction, two possibilities: CPI come very weak, gold explode; CPI come very strong, gold stay down. But in case of range breakout, because it is H1 time frame, this bottom breakdown or new range high come. When you go H1 to daily time frame, this is your wave counting July 31 on daily time frame before NFP news. If you see possible wave counting, W AVC flat correction, almost 61% retracement. Double bottom came first, NFP news came later, big vertical jump, then Trump tariff news. And now we have first impulsive wave. If we are in wave Y, if market is going up, range breakout is coming, then we already have beginning of wave Y. Total 5 impulsive wave on H1 time frame. If it is a ABC flat correction, next impulsive wave Y or third impulsive wave, if it is coming, then first set of impulsive wave on H1 we have 1 counter trend correction wave 2, we also have 50% retracement complete on H1. If CPI come very weak, new range high, third impulsive wave, then counter trend correction fourth wave, then final fifth wave. If this is ABC flat correction and market waiting to fly in wave Y. But before CPI number, I can say gold look oversold, 5 impulsive wave complete, 50% retracement complete. Bulls and bear both already gets their entry. Everyone waiting. Because of tariff drama, intraday chart looks oversold. Maybe CPI already priced in, but big CPI is not pricing. But daily time frame you can see it is sideways range, big clear static horizontal support and resistance, and you have to trade like a sideways range. Again price trading in middle of the range. For new entry, wait for CPI.